In this video, I'm going to show you how to install AltStore on your iPhone. But before we get started, make sure to follow and subscribe to iOS Droids. With that being said, let's begin. Before we get started, make sure to follow each and every steps carefully. If you miss any of the steps, then AltStore will not work on your iPhone. So make sure to follow each and every steps carefully. With that being said, let's begin the process. The first step is to connect your iPhone to a Windows or Mac computer. So I've connected my phone to Mac OS. Now, when you connect your phone for the first time, it will give you a prompt to trust the computer. So select trust the computer. Now, let's have a look at the computer. On your computer, click this link given in the description of the video. It will take you to this page. Here, click on Get AltStore. At the bottom, it will take you to download AltStore for Mac, AltStore for Windows. Mac user can directly download AltStore. Click on download and it will directly download AltStore on Mac. But Windows user, before installing the AltStore, they should download iTunes and iCloud. The link to iTunes and iCloud is given in the description of the video. Download and install both of the softwares. Now the next step is to go to downloads and open the alt server zip file. But before installing the zip file, make sure that your phone is connected to the computer. Once it is connected, make sure to select this option, show this iPhone when on Wi-Fi. This is important to use the AltStore without any cable, without connecting to the computer. So make sure to select this option, show this iPhone when on Wi-Fi. You will find a similar option in iTunes as well. Now the next step is to open the AltStore zip file which you have downloaded. Click on AltStore. Click on open. You will get a new icon at the top. Just click on this icon. Now it has an option to install mail plugin. Just click on this. Click on install mail plugin. Give the password of your computer. Mail plugin is now installed. Now the next step is to open the mail application on your Mac. Now click on mail and go to settings. Now click on manage plugins. Select alplugin.mail bundle. Click on allow access. Apply and restart mail. This step is important. It will ask you in this step for your Apple ID. Just give access to your Apple ID. There won't be any issue. Just give the access to the Apple ID. Now, click on the AltStore logo at the top. Click on Install AltStore. Make sure that your phone is connected. Also, make sure that your phone is unlocked. Just click on Install. Now you have to enter your email. Now you have to enter your Apple ID and password. This is completely safe. You can go ahead and provide your email address and password. It can take a minute or two. Now it is showing, the app is showing in the app library. Let's drag it to the home screen. Open the AltStore, which is installing. Just tap on AltStore. It says untrusted developer. Just cancel it and go to settings, general, VPN and device management. Select developer app. Click on trust. Select the option of trust. Again click on trust. Now your app is installed. Now let's open it again. It says developer mode is required. Click on OK. Go to settings. Select privacy and security. Scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see an option of developer mode. Just tap on developer mode. Enable this. Click on restart. Your phone will restart and AltStore should now work on your smartphone. Now it gives you a prompt on turn on developer mode. Just click on turn on. Enter the password. Let's open AltStore. Click on allow notifications. Allow. You can see AltStore is now successfully installed on my iPhone. To make sure if it is working or not, click on settings. Click on sign in with Apple ID. Now it is asking me to sign in. If you are not getting this option, then disconnect your iPhone from the computer and connect it again. It will show you this option. Enter your ID and password. Click on sign in. Once you're successfully logged in, go to My Apps and you can see the AltStore is successfully activated on my iPhone. So this is how you can install AltStore. If you face any issues, then do let me know in the comments down below. So that's it about the video guys. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.